Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your header sort of transparent on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the header is this topmost section of your site. It is present on pretty much most of your pages, unless you go to a specific page and disable the header, which you can do, but we're not going to be doing that right now. Actually, I might show you at the end of the video because that can only make your header fully transparent. Well, not technically since it'll be missing, but I'll show you that just in case. Now, as you can see, currently I am on this page, and let's say I want to edit my header. You need to go into edit page and then go click on edit site header. Keep in mind this will edit your header for the entire site, not just on this page. So keep that in mind because you cannot customize your header depending on the page. Now, once you're here, once you click on edit site header, you can click on edit design and then go into color, and here you can select either a solid color, a gradient, or adaptive. Adaptive is pretty much just going to adapt the color of the header to the rest of the site. So if I click adaptive, it's going to change it pretty much to the color of the rest of the page. If I save it and then just go ahead and click anywhere else, as you'll see, the site the color of the page and the color of the site header are pretty much the same. This is sort of how you make it transparent, even though you cannot really put anything behind it to be see-through. You might be able to add a background, however, that is completely up to you. Now, as I've mentioned, I'll also show you how you can remove the header, and you cannot remove the header from your homepage, as far as I know, or rather you might be, except for these main pages. Actually, since they are all normal style pages, I might be able to remove the header, so just click on the cog here. And yes, I am just going to navigation, and here you can click to show the header or show the footer. If you disable this and save, if we go to our page, as you can see, the header is completely missing, which it will technically makes it fully transparent. However, if you want to keep your header, just keep this on and make the color adaptive. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.